Hello. Yes, sir, I am audible to you. Yes, can you tell me in chat box? So if I am audible, so I will start the session today, bootcamp. So just reply in chat box that I am audible or not. So everyone can tell me yes, no, so I can understand. In chat box you can put I am audible to you or not. So we can start the session today. Yes, whoever has joined the session, so reply in chat box. My voice is audible. Yep, please reply me yes, no, so I can understood. So I can proceed further for your boot camp. Okay, thank you, Abhaya. So today our topic is inheritance. Okay, and real-time implementation where we are using that concept of inheritance. So inheritance, can anyone tell me what is inheritance in Java or why we are using inheritance? What is the agenda? What is the purpose of inheritance? Anyone tell me? Ganesh, Abhaya, why there is a need to use the inheritance? In chat box, just can you give me in simple word? Tell me what is the agenda of. So you know or no? Yes or no? Tell me yes, no, something so I can understood. So I can explain you what is inheritance, why we are using the agenda, what is how we can implement in real time that inheritance concept. Okay, it helps in code reusability and reduce the duplication. Okay, yeah, it is a little bit good answer. But main agenda of inheritance is what? Let's see. I will explain you. Uh, example. Yes. So we can see what is the inheritance and why we are using. OP. OP means object oriented programming language. It is a class C++. So what it is telling, one class acquire the property of another class. So how it is doing? Let's see. So this is my one parent class. Wait, parent class, and this is one my child class. In that parent class, whatever property, whatever method or whatever I am writing in my parent class. Okay, logic part. And this is my second class. It is my child class. Which class? Child class. So whatever your parent property is present, so that I can reusable. I can in my which class we are inheriting where in our child class parent class property we are inheriting in your child class. So how it is possible? So in inheritance we are using the extend keyword. Which keyword? Extend keyword. Inheriting the property child class, so previous arrow is good. Wait, yes, so this one is good. And now I will write here extend keyword. In child class we are acquiring the property of your parent class. So whatever your in parent I can inherit or I can call in my child class as well as. So means here what are you understanding? Child class can call on property as well as it is inheriting the parent class property. So this concept is called as the inheritance in Java. So everyone have understood or not? Or any doubt or any confusion? Have we clear or not? Yes or no? So tell me. If you have any confusion, so you can tell me. Yes. Have you understood what is inheritance? Ganesh, Abhaya, or any confusion is there? You did not understood what is inheritance. We are using. Yes. Please reply me yes, no. So I can move further. Yes. Okay. You understood. Abhaya. So here, what it is using, what is the benefit of inheritance? Code reusability. So code reusability is whatever method I am creating in my which class? Parent class. If I am creating here one method, demo, void demo. So this method I can call in my child class as well as. So this is called as the code reusability. Method overriding. Same method I can override. Okay. So this is the benefits of your inheritance. So this is the syntax. How your inheritance is calling. So class I want to create. It is your parent class. In parent class I am creating variable and method. And my second class, child class that I am inheriting from your parent class. So child class extend the parent class. Child class is inheriting the parent class, but how? With the help of extend keyword. So this extend keyword is inherit property, whatever present in parent. So now it is came into your child as well as. Have you understood or not? So inheritance is performing with the help of which keyword? Extend keyword. So till now, any doubt, any confusion, you can ask me if you not understood. Yes, everyone. Have you understood or not? Or you can give me a like or whatever button like, or you can tell me yes, so I can understood. So I can move further, whatever point is there. Everyone, have you understood or not? Then we want to see the inheritance one example, single level. So single level means what? Here we have make a one parent class. So my parent class name is I given a, for example as a animal, and my child class I have given a one name as a dog. What? Dog. So I will show you an example how we can implement a single inheritance. So I have created one class as a parent. In that I have created a one method, eat method. Which method? Eat method. And I have written a logic animal is eating. And this is one my child class. What is my child class? In child class I have inherited your parent class. So in that I have created one method, boo. In that method I have written a one logic for your child class, dog. That dog is barking shortly. But here object can be make as your child class. Which class object we are implementing? Child class. So dog, D, from new keyword, what will happen? It will create a memory. What it will do? It will create a memory for which class? Dog. And D is your reference variable. D is what? Reference variable. Using the reference variable, I am calling the child class own property as well as I am calling the parent class property it method. Which method? It method. So how it is possible? With the help of extend keyword. I am inheriting the parent class here extend keyword. That's why it is able to call the parent also. So now I will run. So it will give me both statement. Print. Parent and child. Dog is barking shortly. First boo method. So here I have written a logic. Dog is barking. And here in my parent class. So in my parent class statement in it method. Animal is eating. So d dot it I called. So that time it is printing animal is eating. Then this is called as a single level inheritance. This hierarchy, as we implement in a real time scenario, how is possible. So already I have discussed this animal method. This is your child as a dog, and here one method is there, boo and dog bark. Two methods are there. So child class inheriting the parent, so that it is calling automatically inheritance. Then second type of inheritance. What is that? Can anyone tell me how many inheritance in Java? Yes. Can anyone tell me how many types of inheritance in Java? Yes. If you know, so reply yes, or if you don't know, so reply no. Yes, you know or not? Ganesh, Abaya. What are the types of inheritance in Java? Just tell me in chat. How many types? One, two, three, four, five. How many? Anyone? No one know. How many types? Okay, five types. Okay, five types. Right. So we want to see the second type of inheritance. So what is the second type? Can anyone tell me name? What is the name of second type inheritance? Single level that we have discussed. What is the second type? Yes, lots of member are present. So anyone don't know how many types? Five types I know. That five types are there. What are the name? Single level, then multi-level, right? Hierarchical, right? And multiple is also present. But in Java, multiple inheritance is not supported. Then hybrid. Fifth type is your hybrid. So second type we want to discuss. What is that? Multi-level. Okay. So multi-level, how your multi-level inheritance is forming. So how we can say it is your multi-level. So you can see here. So here multi-level means like this in this format. So here I am giving as this is my arrow, my arrow. So multi-level means here this is your parent and this is your child. But here in this case now this is parent and this is child. So how it is implementing? Real time example I am giving. Multi-level grandfather. Then here is your father and here is your children, child, children or child. So means whatever property of grandfather is present, so it is acquiring in your father, and that father property it will came into your you, means I am you or me, whatever child we are came. So in that we have acquired that property from father. So this is the example how your multi-level inheritance is working. So it is called as a, or any confusion you can ask me if you not understood. You can type if you not understood what is multi. Yes, have you clear or not, or any doubt? This example multi-level. Yes, no, or any doubt? Multi-level, how it is working, multi-level. Have you understood or not? Means it will derive from a class from another class, one class from another class. Derive the process. It is giving a unlimited. There is no restriction. You can take one class as a parent child, then another will be parent append, then you can drive third one child. Then your third will be append as a parent, and fourth will append as a child. So you can make as the multi-level means multiple classes you can derive from one base class. So it is called as the multi-level inheritance in Java. Have you clear or not? Or any doubt? Tell me yes or no. Have you understood? Have you understood or not? Multi-level, how it is working. Or any confusion? Nay. And another, please response me so I can move further. Any doubt? Okay. So here it is telling in simple word grandfather, parent and child. So the last class can access the property and method of a previous class. So multi-level means what? It is a type of inheritance in which class inherits from another class. One class is inheriting from another class, and then another class inheriting from a some another class, derived class. So it is called as a multi-level. So class say that inheriting in class I have make a B, in that I am inheriting the previous class. So now I will make a one new class C. So what is my previous class before? B. So that I am inheriting in my class C. It is called as the multi-level. In doubt, any confusion? Everyone, tell me yes or no. You have any doubt or any confusion? So are you understood or not? Or any doubt? If you understood, type yes, understood, understood. Yeah, type understood if you clear everything. Okay. Only one guy understood. Why another guys are not clear? Tell me, so I will explain you once more. Yes, I will explain real life example how it will be happen in last, how we can implement with any return. So now we can say this example multi-level how it will be working. So now I have written a one class A. It is my parent class. In this I have written one method show A. B is inheriting your previous means parent. A is there. Then C is the child. But what is the previous class? B. So this is inheriting multi-level. And now object. Which class object we can make? C. Because C is inheriting B and B is inheriting already A. So that's why we need to make an object of your C class. Which class? C class. And then new. Using the help of new keyword, we are creating the memory. New keyword used to create memory. For which class it is creating memory? C class. For C class. And using the reference, obj is reference. Using the reference, I am calling the own method as well as previous parent class, and whatever the B class as a parent, I am creating that also method. So this is the multi-level inheritance. You can see now. I have written here class A, B and C. So that logic is printed, executed. Then third type. Have you understood everyone? Yes or no? Yes. Have you understood or not? Then third type. Your third type is your multi hierarchical. What is that? Yes. Hierarchical means what? It is a type of inheritance in which multiple child classes inherited from a single parent will be what? Let's say multiple child classes. So this is my one child and this is one my second child. What it is the type of inheritance in which multiple child classes inherited from a single parent. Okay. So this is my one parent class. So yes. So this is your parent class. What? This is your parent and this two child. So that two child is acquiring the single parent. Both child are using the single parent. Matlab B is also using the A class and as well as C class, child class is also acquiring the property of A parent class. So at a time two child class is acquiring the property of single parent. It is called as the which type of inheritance? Yes, hierarchical. What? Hierarchical inheritance. Have you understood or not? Yes or no? Tell me fast. Everyone, have you understood or not? Or any doubt or any confusion regarding hierarchical inheritance, how it is working? Means if we have a two child, both child is acquiring the only property from single parent. Means child one. Listen carefully. Here, what we can say? Class B extend class A as well as now class C extend class A means both child class is acquiring from a single parent means both child class are using the single parent class property. It is called as a hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical. Have you any doubt or any confusion? You can ask me if you not understood. If you understood, type yes. Reply very fast. Yes, yes, yes. If everyone have understood. In chat box. If you understood, type everyone. Yes, yes, yes. Bring the property from a single parent. It is Java. Have you understood or not? Then, how it is working? Parent A, child 1 is also using parent, and child 2 is also using parent, and child 3. Number of child are present. So, both all child are using from a single class, which is your parent class property. So, it is called as a hierarchical inheritance. What it is called? Hierarchical inheritance. So here we can see now. So now, yes. So my parent class. This is what parent, and this is your child one, and this is your child two. So both class is inheriting from a single parent, animals. Here also we are inheriting from parent, second child also inheriting from parent. So we want to create a two object now. How many object? Two. Why? Because we are creating a dog object, then only we are inheriting animals and dog. But we cannot inherit the property of cat. So that's why we need to create object of cat also. And using cat, we can inherit own property as well as parent. It. So you can see now, it is called as a hierarchical inheritance in Java. So here two classes created. So that's why we want to create object of cat also and dog also because both are inheriting the parent. So how we can understood. So anyone have any doubt, any confusion, you can ask me if you not understood. Have you understood or not? Yes, yes. Type yes if you understood. Hierarchical. What is hierarchical? Vinay, Ganesh, SK, and Abhishek. Have you understood what is hierarchical inheritance? Yes or no? Just reply me so I can move forward. Yeah, what happened? I'm audible. Ganesh, Abhishek, Vinay. Yeah, I'm audible or not? Okay. Then after that, we want to see it is your hybrid. What? Hybrid inheritance. Hybrid means what? Listen carefully. Hybrid means what? Combination of all. So how it will be? How it will be the combination of all? Let's see. Yes. So hybrid. Hybrid means what? Now you can see class B is inheriting A. So it is your single level. Then now D is C and C is inheriting A. So it is what? Multi-level. Then D is inheriting both class simultaneously. So it is your multiple inheritance. Then both child. Now only we have discussed if only one parent and two child are inheriting. So it is called as the hierarchical inheritance. So this is the example of your hybrid means it is combination of all type of inheritance single, multi-level, multiple and hierarchical. So that's why it is called as a hybrid hybrid inheritance in Java. So any doubt, any confusion, everyone in hybrid inheritance? Hybrid means it is the combination of two or more types. Means we can arrange single, multi-level, multiple and hierarchical. We can form any hierarchy from two or type when we are deriving. It is called as a hybrid. So how we can do it is a mixture of multi-level plus hierarchical as well as hierarchical plus single, then multi-level, then multiple. All we can inherit so that it is your hybrid combination of all. So this is the example how we are doing. Then Java does not support the hybrid inheritance using class directly because Java does not support multiple inheritance. Java, if we see, Java is not possible to do multiple inheritance in Java. But how we can achieve? By using the interface. With the help of interface, we can achieve the multiple inheritance in Java. Means here D class is confused. How it is confused? I want to inherit B or C. Both class are there. So it is the confusion is created. So that's why in Java multiple inheritance is not supported. So how we can achieve the multiple inheritance in Java? So with the help of interface, with the help of interface, we can multiple inheritance. So interface A, then class B, in that I am creating one method and then class C. So using that I am extend because this is your class. So that's why I am using created an interface. So if you are creating input interface, so you want to use implements keyword. If you are using the interface, so that time you want to use the implements keyword. And if you are using class, so that time you want to use the extend keyword. So this is your important point. Keep note in Java. This is your important point. Okay. So C extend B means single inheritance. C implement A means multiple inheritance via the help of interface. Class using class, it is not possible multiple inheritance in Java. So we can say this how we can do. So what I'm doing, I'm creating the child class, means which class? Baby dog, because it is inheriting dog as well as multiple interface animal. So that's why I've used here implement. So it is inheriting this child class. So that's why I created object of baby dog, and using the reference of obj I call all method. You can ask me if you not understood. Everyone, image is not clear. Okay. Yeah, actually that I have made properly, but it is not showing visible to you at your side. No issue. We can see next time properly that all thing. Okay. Till now, you have any doubt, any confusion, or any question? So you can ask me if you not understood. So here multiple inheritance. So here it is will create a ambiguity. Here it will create a ambiguity, or we can say diamond problem. Which problem? Diamond problem in Java. So here D class is confused. I want to inherit B or C. So that's why using class your multiple inheritance is not possible in Java. So how it is possible using the interface? So here we have created an interface. So here interface will sort out your problem for multiple inheritance. So using interface we can achieve. Okay, have you understood or not? Everyone. Yes. So now we want to discuss a real-time implementation, one project. That project name is banking system. What is the banking system? We want to build a one app. It is name is the bank app. Okay. So in bank application, we are creating the account, then login, deposit, withdraw, and check balance. So algorithm, we want to make a start. Then we have a one menu. So this menu, so we can show the detail. What details? Number, name, this all parameter I will ask from a user. If user is giving the second choice, so I am giving the access, whatever detail for banking application. And if is taking the third choice, so I am making as the out from my application. Okay. And in this second choice, we have some given us some operation. Operation means in the sense you can do the withdraw, deposit, balance. This operation I am giving. If user is entering in your system, then only he will get a further process. So here is your account. Then only he can access this all thing menu, whatever your withdraw, deposit, and this. If user ID and user credential is not proper, so we cannot give the access to that user. Have you understood or not? Yes or no? Everyone. Yes, tell me fast. Have you understood what I have explained now? Yes, tell fast. Yes or no? Okay. Only Ganesh. Where is other? Abhishek and Escape Gaming. Are we clear or not? What we want to perform? Yeah, tell me fast. Yes, yes, yes. If you are giving a response, so I can move further. Everyone, tell me fast. If you understood or not. Have we clear what we want to do in application? If your login credential is proper, I am telling, if your login credential is proper, satisfy, valid, then only I am giving you this menu. If you are not proper validation menu login, so I am not giving you error. You can out from system. If your ID is proper, then only I am giving further operation you can perform. So we can make a one app, banking app. Okay, I will show you example. So here I have make a one class bank account. Which class? Bank account. And I am using the private variable. Private variable means this concept is called as the encapsulation. What? Encapsulation in Java. So how we can do using the help of Pojo class. Pojo class means what? Setter and getter. That's private variable. So using the help of constructor or Pojo class, we can achieve private variable. So I'm achieving with the help of constructor in Java. So class name and constructor name should be same. And you here I pass a variable for that name, account number, and initial balance. For to identify this variable account holder, I am identify with name. Then account holder, account number, then initial balance. I am identify with a balance variable. So in deposit, I am checking. I created one variable amount. In amount, I am checking it is greater than zero or not. If it is greater than zero, so in whatever your balance, so my balance amount, what I have given, I have passed here. Yeah, initial balance is my zero, and that in that balance, whatever user is entering any amount, if user is depositing 50 or 300, okay, so zero plus how it is working this shorthand balance equal to how it is working balance equal to balance plus amount. So now how it is working balance equal to what is my balance? Zero. And now user is giving 200 amount. So 0 plus 200. So it will 200. So now 200 is your actual amount as deposited in your bank. And now it is what it is giving balance equal to balance minus 1. So how it is working? B equal to B minus amount. So what is your previous balance? 200. And how many amount you want to withdraw? So balance equal to my previous balance 200 and what amount you want to withdraw? How many amount? So I am asking here from a user initial balance account and for second case withdraw and deposit. In withdraw I am asking user enter withdraw amount. How many amount you want to withdraw? If user is giving here withdraw amount as a 300 so that it is showing in which variable where it is storing amount. So here I am doing as the withdraw amount. Have you understood or not? So here if I am thinking my withdraw is 100. So now it will give me the original balance 100 will stored. And now here in check balance, what is my previous balance? 100 rupees only remaining. So like this your application is working. So let's see. Now what I am doing, I want to create a one my account. So I am giving one. It is asking me enter the account holder name. So I am giving my name Adnan, account number 1234, balance. It's asking me what is initial balance. So now I am giving my initial balance is what? Zero. I did not have any amount. So what is it giving? Account created successfully. So now I want to do the enter amount to deposit. So I want to deposit 200. And what is my initial balance? Zero. Zero plus 200. So what will happen? 200 will be your original balance. So it is really 200 it is showing or not. Let's see what it is giving me. Current balance is 200. Now I want to do the withdraw. Third choice. I am withdrawing. What is my amount? 200. From 200 I am withdrawing 50 rupees. So what is the remaining? How many rupees will I get balance in my balance? Everyone tell me. How many balance I get now after withdraw? Yes, after withdraw, how many amount we get? 100, 50, 150, how many amount? Yes, can anyone tell me how many amount we get? How? Can you explain me how 100, 1750? Yes. So now what I have done, listen to my account. In that account, my initial balance is zero. Then I have given a second choice for deposit money. So I have deposit 200 rupees. Then initial balance is what? Zero. Zero plus 200. So I have checked my balance. How many? Fourth choice. This account check balance. So it is giving me 200 current balance in my account. I want to withdraw 50 rupees. How many? 50. So what is my updated balance now after withdraw? How many rupees is left now in my balance? 150, right? Right, right. Yes, everyone. How many? 150. So I want to check really it is. So now you can see current balance after withdraw 150. Then I want to display account details properly. So now it is showing me Adnan, account number and my current balance. And if I want to left from my application, I can use this number choice. That's it. So what it is giving me message? Thank you for using our bank application. Have you clear or not? Everyone, have you understood or not? Or any doubt? Yes, tell me. Yes, no. I will teach you. In chat box, reply very fast. Yes, no, yes, no, yes. Only Abhishek understood. No, no other guys. Ganesh, where are you? All of you. Yes, have you clear or not? So you have any question, any doubt, whatever we have taken till now. So if you have any doubt, any question, you can ask me. I can solve your query, your doubt. Yeah, replying chat box. You have any doubt, any confusion in this topic? Yeah, I'm audible. Last 5 minutes, I cannot understood. Okay. We have taken a one program bank application in that we have created our account. See, we have given a choice. So in first choice, I want to create a account. From where it is asking here, initial balance and this whole thing. So I have given the date is giving me account created successfully. Then second choice I have given, I have initial balance what? Zero. So in that depositing. So second choice is here. How many amount you want to deposit? So it is asking me. So I have given a 200. Then it has deposit and it will stored in your deposit amount. Then third choice, withdraw. So using withdraw, I have withdraw my amount. How many? 50. So remaining, how many amount it will remain? 150. So it will give me the updated balance as the check balance in that fourth choice I have given, and it is giving me 150. This only we have taken bank application. Yes, any doubt or any confusion or anything is there? So no doubt is there. Everything is clear. Everyone, tell me if you have no doubt. So type no, 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 no. So I can understand everyone. Okay then, so we can stop the session now and have a means literally nice to meet you, both of you, Ganesh and Abhishek. You have done very well. So we can stop now. Okay, bye.